Hi, I'm Nia. I am the CEO of Creative Surge Media, and I work with ADHD entrepreneurs and creatives to work on their social media, grow their businesses, and I give Wavebox a 5 out of 5. Before using Wavebox, I was using straight Google Chrome with all of the different profiles logged in. I had at least 3 profiles. Each one had a set of passwords, bookmarks, and it was hectic. I didn't know how to get into whatever I was doing. I had literally hundreds of tabs open. My computer was just running on fumes, and I was struggling. And so I signed up for Wavebox to mediate that. The main reason why I signed up for Wavebox was I was utilizing ClickUp for clients and also for myself. And I needed a way to get into 2 ClickUp windows at a time and also 2 Canva windows. And it just wasn't possible with Google Chrome. It was too difficult in order to log in, log out, log back in, log back out, and the notifications. It was just a mess. And the fact that with Wavebox, I could have every client's ClickUp, every client's Canva, every client's Slack just lined up on the sidebar made it so amazingly easy. And I was sold from the moment that I realized I could do that. Getting started with Wavebox was so easy. It's kind of just like Google Chrome, which I feel like is very intuitive for me, but on like on just like such a better level. And so it was easy for me to hook up the apps that I was using, to log into them, to log in with my passwords. I quickly learned how to export and import my bookmarks, my passwords. Setting up LastPass was super easy and hooking it up in every single spot. Um, and also, when I needed a little bit more time to get everything set up and try it out, their customer service reached out to me and asked if I needed more time on the trial. And within moments of me saying yes, they had done that as well. So really, getting set up was a breeze for me. I will admit that I am technically savvy, so I can't say that it's that easy for everyone. But for me, it took a matter of minutes. My advice for using Wavebox the most successfully is, first of all, if you're struggling or if you have any questions, reach out to support. They respond super quickly and are always helpful. One of the things that I do with my Wavebox that's been supremely helpful is letting my tabs and cookie centers, I can't remember the exact term, go to sleep every 15 minutes. And so, whereas when I was starting out in a program where I had hundreds of tabs open, do not get me wrong, I still have hundreds of tabs open, but they go to sleep. So my computer is not chugging. It is running so much easier, so much seamlessly. The only things that I keep awake at all times are Slack and anything that I need just like all the time notifications from. And that has made it work so much easier. I get all of my Slack notifications. My team works great with me. That is my number one tip for if you're setting up different apps in Wavebox.